It's been my favorite day because it's over. We did it. We did it.
See, this is my beautiful wife, Elle. Right now, you can probably see that she's hella excited, and that's because what she's been working on for the past 2 or 3 months has finally been finished. But let's just take it back for a second. Alright, what's going on, people? So, I know I'm in my lair or my office, but this is actually the start of a pretty interesting video I'm about to do. Tomorrow, my wife Elle will be having the last day of her Rebelle Summit, which is a dream camp for girls. It's 6 through 11, I believe it is. And pretty much through the whole week, the whole 4-week summit, they were able to learn about what they want to do as far as like their goals and dreams and aspirations. They were able to have a little bit of fun, and then the ultimate thing is for them tomorrow to put together a project which kind of helps their cause or that goes towards their passion that they want to pursue. So I thought it'd be a good idea to kind of highlight exactly who my wife is, what she does, everything that's going on tomorrow, and all the work that her and her team has put in to kind of make this a success. So check this out.
Flashing lights, lights, lights.
So instead of hearing my voice over this video about something that my wife has been doing, let's just hear straight from my wife on all the great things that she's been doing over these past couple of months.
I can't see you.
What is the Rebelle Summit?
Like how it became, or like just what it is today?
What is it as of today?
It is a 5-day summit for girls ages 6 to 13. The purpose is to help them figure out what it is that they are destined to be. Just kind of trying to figure out what those leadership qualities are that they have in them that may go unnoticed, and try to help bring those qualities out. So the girls take a test when they register, and at registration, when they take the test, they get asked a series of questions, and based on those questions, they are divided into 5 different groups. And those groups consist of girls who are masterminds, which are like STEM girls, girls who are girl bosses, which are our future entrepreneurs, girls who are groundbreakers, who are our future nonprofit leaders, CEOs, girls who are expressionists, who are our artists, our creatives, and then girls who are, I'm missing one, storytellers. And storytellers are girls who are interested in videography, journalism, things like that. So the test tells us which category they fall into, and then we take the next 5 weeks trying to hone in on those characteristics, and throughout that process they're creating a project that they have to do on the last day, and we just kind of foster that project throughout the time period. So there's Deanna, who is one of our board members, and she does all of the branding for World Women Group.
Oh, hold up for 1 second. Alright, so this is Deanna. So matter of fact, let me give a couple quick fun facts about Deanna according to me. She has a degree in interior design, which I could be making this up, but I believe it's pretty accurate. Most of the time her hair is purple, which is pretty dope. She's a branding beast and owns a company called Brand Smash. And on top of all of that, she also lives by the mantra, no basic shit. Let's see what she has to say.
The summit has been amazing. We've been really inspired by the things that these girls have been able to do. Their projects have blown us away, and I cannot wait until next year.
I think it's so necessary because I tell people all the time, like, I am blessed to be the woman that I am, because at a young age, I think that depending on where you come from or your background, there are parents who see the qualities within you they see, that what you're destined to be. They see that you are a natural leader. They see that you are into sports. They see that you are into photography, whatever it may be. And those parents have the ability to kind of help groom you into what you're destined to be. There are some people who don't have that opportunity, or some parents who just don't know how to do that. And I think for me, I was one of those kids who was able to be groomed for the things that life has prepared me for without my parents knowing that they were doing that. For me, I'm an anomaly. Like, I'm not supposed to be where I am. I'm not supposed to be that. And I know there's other girls who wish that they had someone like those parents that I talked about who could groom their kids. And so I feel like that's my duty, that's my job, because I was blessed to be kind of groomed to position the way that I am in life now. And I feel like it's my duty to do the same for other girls. The first day, a mom came up to me at the end of the summit and gave me a hug and said, "Thank you. Thank you for doing this." And she looked like she was about to cry. And that was like a huge highlight, because that day had been crazy. And when you running around and doing a whole bunch of stuff, like, you just get tired. And to have someone just say thank you, like, and you know that it comes from the heart, it makes everything that you're doing worth it. I think what this process has taught me, life hasn't, people tell you, like, when you are a parent, you don't know, like, there's no class that you go to become a parent. It's like just something that you just do. It's like trial and error. And I think this process has shown me a lot of parents have begun to dream again through their kids. And I think that's really, really cool. And there's a lot of parents that wish that they could do more. And when they see their kids happy and smiling and excited about the Rebelle Summit, it makes them, believe in things again. So I think that just as equally as the children need their parents need them. So I'm very happy that the Rebelle Summit has been able to do that.
So what's next for you?
What's next for me? What's next for me is a partnership with Worldwide Women Group called Dream Co. And Dream Co. is going to be our very next initiative, launching.
Like so I feel like you got something else going on.
I mean, what? Like, you're not talking about Brand Smash, are you?
Yeah, what you got going on?
Shit.
Enough about Elle.
She does sound very PR.
Yeah.
I'm a branding person. What is next for Brand Smash? Brand Smash in particular. I don't know. Brand Smash is going to keep chugging along with its clients, but Deanna is launching her personal brand. Yes, and we've got some great things in the horizon for me personally, but Brand Smash is just going to keep partnering in the community and keep working on our clients so we keep the lights on.
Now that Elle has told you all about the Rebelle Summit, let's go back to where this video actually started at.
Oh, okay. No, really, this has been like, I think the biggest initiative that we've ever done, because it was 5 days, and every day just kind of built a bigger and bigger expectation. And then today, to see everything come together, to see the girls look so cute in their tutus, come out with their projects and speak so eloquently and professionally about their projects as if they knew exactly what they were doing, that felt really good to see so many young girls do that. I've never seen it before. So we have brought to the Hampton Roads area something that's never been done, networking for kids, and so in our dream showcase.
Alright, so I just gotta say that, God has really blessed me with a great wife, man. Like, she was able to pull out this event, pretty much just her and somebody else was able to create this whole event for young girls that allowed them to start building for their future. Like, that's dope, man. Nobody really does that. So I gotta say thank you, God, for just blessing me with an ambitious and motivated and driven wife. And I mean, beautiful as well. But gotta love that she's motivated and just trying to help, God. Gotta love that she's just trying to help, young girls out here try to pursue their dreams at a young age. So I gotta appreciate that. Also with this video, hopefully I was able to show y'all a little bit about what Worldwide Women Group does, the Rebelle Summit, and all that. So I guess I'll leave a link in a link somewhere. So if you want to know more about Worldwide Women Group, you can go to the website worldwidewomengroup.com or .org, and just follow all the cool stuff they got going on. Also follow them on Instagram at www.group. I believe that's right. And so hopefully you enjoyed this new concept as well, this new format. I'm trying to be as consistent as possible, so I want to release a new video every Monday. Hopefully that won't be too hard, but I feel like it is. So that's pretty much all I got. So enjoy your day. Go create.